Welcome back, guys. So, I forward with some more updates for Uno. Since Uno thinks say a joke thing or some ears a business, but end of the day, this is just a quick intro video. And Wull on there just for ensure say you like and subscribe. Alright, we kick it off like that cause you don't know the cure in a prison over so said way, and he make the post upon him Instagram where you don't know to them celebrate film birthday January. You see me? So with that said, we just want to bless him up said way. Okay guys, so I did make a vlog the video before this one, guys, and you know me I make it clear say Buju Banton abuse him daughter, and people in the comment section like if I'm sure and like why me I go vlog something more we not sure about and an alleged thing or you know suppose or them type of matter there. The matter is that him daughter post it. She posts a lot of different stuff, and we are share this to the audience them, cause where she even post say I brother text her and him say I'm sorry to hear daddy did that. She has said thanks, and he must say yo when I left the studio that's what he did to me when him come upstairs and choke him basically. You see me? So that when on bike he did miss the guys, and him never talk about it, and that him say the reason why I never come back downstairs. So just to clear the air, no hide see pictures for yourself with bruises, scars and stuff, and it's just sad, you see me, knowing that your daughter and you feel protect her, guys. As so may I say still, hopefully them can work out them family matter, cause we know a family thing go, but you must fed up if she do this. Get me? Yeah, so on to the next we go. Leah Faris, you know, share for her sorrow for her baby father that a dog paw. You see me, she say I will miss you Papa Bear, my dog paw watch over us. You see me the right way, so afar them come from, you know, the people them know how them thing go. This a Tom Tavares that we are talking about, big liar. Them love bad man and them something that don't feel like a joke thing. Them thing they make them alright, hear this. Them don't have them money already. Life kind of boring more while. You see me? So them go for where the excitement and them something they get there and thing. You see me? No lie. Who know just know yeah man, R.I.P. to Dawg Paw said way. You see me? So this brother here corner boss, you don't know him been through a lot where he nearly figure in a violence, and him have something for set up. Get a youth said.
Alright, so that video here, I will say one thing. If in a life, don't judge people. You see me? Don't judge and say yo, them boy they can't come out with them thing. You see me? Always keep it positive, because if the life have a way of changing around in a split second. Have you ever tried to measure just one sin, seeking forgiveness when your heart knows within? My God will not judge us, and how big or how small. He looks to Calvary's blood to cover it all. I know the blood cover it all. Love has no boundaries, since death paid it full. Jesus knew in the beginning that man would surely fall. I'm glad the Savior's precious blood, it covered it all. Don't feel like a joke here. Enough time we get chance out here and we feel them. I'm telling you one thing. God give you all heap of chance and we feel them same. So don't put down a man, but when him down on him last, you see me, help him build him back up, because it's right about now portion of greatness of family. You see me? So that video here, after every youth out there we are struggling and feel as if say, there is no hope. Hear me I say now. Put God first, stay humble and focus. You see me? Because see it, you know, we are coming from half of the street and look where we are going now. UCC, you see me? University of the Commonwealth. You see me? Right, there's some family. So if me do it, you can do it too. Right about now, me are going to be the first big businessman in my family and me are claim it over every ghetto youth out the life. What you not get a youth, we are going to do it and we are going to show them. So what you know, man, only thing we need is a chance to do it. Man, I'm more from the pit and man, I go from the pulpit. Watch it out. Wull for greatness. Hear me and says people, don't stop praying for we. Don't judge me sometimes. Sometimes when we're down there, all we need is a little support to come back up again. Because you see it, last week Tuesday, a video go to your mother about bag of people. This week Tuesday, you see me I come from, we up at the place here at town. You see me? Okay, registered for a university. You see me? No jokes about it. God can turn it. You never hear them say, yo, miracles not happen overnight. A lie. Cause my miracle happen overnight. And I tell them, say, yo, God I got chance for me. Right about now, I just loan positivity to people. You see me? And you have some people that say, yo, the boy talk ghetto-ish. Listen, I can talk properly, alright? But listen, I choose not to. I will not and I refuse to stay away from where I am from. I am from the garrison. And them come from, you hear that so? Me I go forever chat the patois. You understand? But listen, I can speak for English, alright? I can. So yes, my people, all heap of blessings and all heap of respect, all heap of greatness. You know, I mean the mentor there same way.
Which is right.
You see me? Greatness same way, my father.
Guys.
Yeah, man, you see me? Real talk, my people, man, you see me? So see it, yeah? Up there we are got my family. All heap of greatness in my pipeline. Actually, even though I feel proud of myself, you see me? All heap of big up to them people in my family. UCC, you see me? I'm telling you we are though. Occupational associate degree, you see me? In logistic and supply chain management. That greatness my family, you see me? So, yo, my father, if me do it, you can do it too.
Yeah.
You see me? Just sometimes you have to switch from some friends here there, because some boy go chat right now say, oh, Michael Town switcher. But my family, if me they run every day, only thing I want to do a rap bad man, can't depend on that right now, my family. So right now, when I go say my switch, I'm switching my benefit. So some friends, one of their own family, I go cut from them sometime. Because if me ever cut from negative people, them thing I would not reach my about. You know, just straight positivity. So yo, here I go on. Some friend, one of their own, switch from around them, my family. Elevate up yourself. Move up to higher levels. You see me? Because some boy where you are power in the road, bad man, them now mean you're not good. So you have to move from around some people. You see me, people. Make them call a switcher, but end of the day, them I go see it, say what a man cut out for greatness. You see me? So right about now, we'll leave respect our manners, we'll leave greatness. Father God will put first in everything we do. You see me? Everybody else come after. Father God. So far so great, my peeps. Me really appreciate the help thus far. Isn't it? It's a blessing. And as I say right now, a school thing them my family. Isn't it? So thanks to everybody who reached out thus far. Only for manners and respect. Blessings to the Almighty. Don't stop praying for we. Need the prayers them same way. To all of my youths them out there, stay focused, stay positive. Remember I'm telling you, man. We are gonna be the first doctor and lawyer in our family, you know. Isn't it? We are gonna show some people say, watch a man, all they say, yo, we can't come out in your life. We are gonna show them say, watch we can do it. All you have to do, stay humble, put God first and find some positive people and roll with. I'm out. Bless up Jamaica, bless up the world. And God will say, right show. The stone the builder refuse, on the head cornerstone. Here I am. Greatness.
Do it, yo. Do it.
Greatness.